Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making an appetizer that's delicious and easy to make, and kids love it. It's bacon wrapped smokies, little smoky sausages. And all you do is you get a pound of bacon, you cut it into thirds, and you wrap each smoky up and secure it with a toothpick. And then we're going to put some brown sugar on it. But first we're going to wrap them all. Okay, so now we're going to sprinkle everything with a little bit of Lowry's. And now we're going to put brown sugar. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drizzle a little bit of maple syrup, pure maple syrup, on each one. And now they're gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Okay, so here's our finished product. And I wanna mention for sure that you wanna get the beef smokies, because I bought some at Aldi's that I didn't even realize weren't beef smokies, and they just aren't as good. So definitely go for the beef smokies brand name. You know, a lot of times I buy generic type things, but in this case the all beef is what you want. But they're delicious. And I should also say, as soon as you get them out of the oven, you want to get them onto a serving plate, because if not, you'll have a sticky mess and they'll want to stick to the pan. So anyway, they're delicious. They're not that hard to make. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.